Why should people be buying XYZ machine tools, Martin? What's the draw?
It's the ease of use, the ongoing support that you get from us, and in most cases people come back and they buy more.
Martin, XYZ clearance sales, they happen occasionally when you've got new stock coming through. You've had one recently and there's still a few models left. Tell us why you do them and the advantage to the engineers to capitalise on opportunities like this.
Well, we normally have an open day and a clearance when we've got new products coming in, which obviously is what we've got now, so we're launching a couple of new products. So yeah, we have a bit of a clearance.
And now,
out with the old, in with the new.
Out with the old, in with the new. Now behind us here, we've got some operator training going on, which obviously happens very commonly here. One of the models that is in the clearance sale at the moment is in fact the CT65, not this one, but the smaller one. Can you just tell us briefly about that model and some of the others that are available quickly on short lead times?
Sure, yeah, it's an 8-inch chuck machine, 65 capacity with the CT65, but we've got much bigger machines in our range, going up to the 320 LTY that's right behind us. We've got a range of VMCs on XDEM at the moment.
I know you've got the HD, 660 HD with the Heidenhain control.
Correct.
For people that didn't know you do Heidenhain on VMCs, you do, which is a big market, or must be able to get you into a new market as well.
It certainly does, Paul, yeah.
The heavy duty machines, we saw one of those with its guarding off just through the other building. That just shows the stability and the structure, doesn't it? Yeah, so if people are after hard metal machining, that's a good machine. Also, you've got the XLR 1000 LR, which is the linear rail model available, and the RLX 1630. That's quite a popular machine.
It is, yeah. It's our bread and butter, yeah. The ProTurn lathes, we sell lots of them. So yeah, there's a couple of those on offer, but they're all available from new in stock if you miss out on the X demos.
Could these machines be delivered before Mac?
Absolutely. Normally we try and turn machines around in a few weeks, but sometimes we can do it sooner. If it's there ready and it's our bread and butter machine, we can turn it around very quickly.